3 guesses to what this little machine is and how it can help us in our theatrical classroom. What? No, it's not some kind of boring video projector. No, it's not a hairdryer either. And what? No, it's not a washing machine. This little machine here is actually called a smoke machine. Oh my goodness. And it's used on stage to create those fantastical, mysterious, spooky atmospheres. It can be used in video shows. It can be even used in the discos as well. And I hear we're actually going to be using it in the classroom, or better still, even outside with our young students. Here what we do in this little container here is we put some special smoke liquid. We turn the button on, we turn it round, and I press the button. Oh, yes! We have the special smoke machine that creates enough smoke to not be able to see anything. I don't know if you can still see me. Just remember, this little machine creates loads of atmosphere, especially if you're performing with students. But a word of warning, if you are using it inside, ask for permission and make sure that you don't have any sprinklers or alarm systems on. We don't want any panic. Great for performing with students. The kids go absolutely crazy for it. They'll absolutely love it. Have a go with your students, and until next time, remember, be spooky and theatrical.